Before you guys view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel. Running versus jumping rope. What is better for weight loss? Running and jumping rope are the two low-cost exercises that give you a good cardio session and help you burn tons of calories. Both are popular full-body workouts that most people opt for when trying to shed kilos or increase their fitness level. They spike your heart rate, increase the capacity of your lungs, and make you sweat. There are indeed a lot of similarities between the two workout regimes, but they differ from one another in many ways. In this video, we will tell you which one is better and which one you should choose. Muscles targeted. Both running and skipping rope puts pressure on your lower body and has some impact on your joints. They work on your core muscles and help to provide stabilization. Apart from that, running involves your buttocks to move forward, shoulders, deltoids, and sustained flexion of the biceps to balance your leg movement. In jumping rope, your buttock muscles are involved, which helps to keep your pelvis stable. It also involves your shoulder, biceps, triceps, and forearm flexor grip. Calories burned. Both skipping rope and running can be added to the workout routine when trying to shed kilos. The exact numbers depend on the intensity and the duration of the workout. If we compare the calories burned during a session, jumping rope offers a slight advantage. A person weighing 68 kilos can burn 140 calories in 10 minutes by skipping rope at moderate intensity. While running at moderate intensity, the same person can burn 125 calories in 10 minutes. The benefits of running and skipping rope. Both are aerobic exercises that can help to enhance endurance by maintaining a pace for a long time. If you increase the intensity, it can be considered as anaerobic activity. Both help you burn body fat, improve cardiovascular strength, and increase lung capacity. Who should choose what? Both the activities involve the muscles of your lower body that might not be beneficial for those suffering from knee, leg, hips, or ankles issues. Instead, you can try walking or running at a low intensity. In the case of skipping rope, try a single stance to reduce the pressure on your knees. When it comes to deciding which one is better for you, then we would suggest you try both. However, if you have limited time, then jumping rope is a much better option than running. Who should choose what? Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.